Good. Namaste, everybody. Welcome to a brand new month. And thank you so much who've been sending your regular donations. I really appreciate that. Again, that donation money is not for me. I don't need it. It's for also not for yoga because yoga can survive without money. It has survived for so many years, thousands of years. It is like you go every time to the temple, you put something in the hundi or the dan patra. It's something like that. With that bhav, you come to this class because our body is our temple. Okay, we are hosting our divine being inside, and yoga is a method to reach that divine being. So, from man or woman to become that divine. Okay, so that's the process of yoga, and that's for that reason you're here with that intent. And the side effects of yoga are many, goal is only one. Okay, side effects can be body can become healthy, mind can become calm, but goal is always one, to connect with that divine. Okay, it's a spiritual goal for yoga. So with that intent, we'll start the meditation today with the mantra I sent you yesterday on the chat, Vakratunda Mahakaya. You don't have to memorize or anything. I'll put the music. So the music has 4 sentences, right? Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvigna Kurma Deva, Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Okay, 4 lines for this mantra. And there's a music at the end. There's a Veena music at the end. So I want you to coordinate your breath with the mantra. So Vakratunda Mahakaya can be one in breath. The second line can be out breath. The third line can be in breath. Fourth line can be out breath. And the fifth, the Veena music, you can stop your breath at that time. Okay? That is called Kumbhak. When you breathe out and leave it, or if you're in a breath in cycle, hold that breath in that Veena music. Try to coordinate that. If that's too difficult for you, each sentence has 2 words. Vakratunda Mahakaya, for example. So for one word, you can breath in, the other word you can breath out. If you cannot take a long in breath or long out breath, it's totally up to you. I leave it up to you. We'll do it for 2 minutes. But before that, we'll just observe our posture. And when I start the music, you can coordinate your breath with that. Same thing we'll do with the alternate nostril breathing. I'll explain you that time. So first of all, sit straight, everybody. Spine like a log, a danda. And then make sure your leg is relaxed. Shoulders rolled back a little bit. And hands gently placed on the lap, either on both knees or together this way. It's totally up to you. Neck is straight, chin is parallel to the floor. The tongue is very lightly touching the front of upper palate, which is the normal resting position of the tongue. And focus on your breath. Feel the weight of your body on the mat. Feel the weight of your hands on your lap. And set this intention that no matter how busy our lives are, and they're very important responsibilities in our life, for the next hour, we devote our time or invest our time for our body and our mind to become the better version of ourselves. And there's no obstacle in becoming the better version of ourselves. It's just our mind that's an obstacle. We keep postponing good things for our body and our mind, not paying enough priority or not giving enough emphasis on that. That's the only obstacle. So we'll try to remove that obstacle today by invoking Ganesha within us, who is also called Vignaharta. And then we can definitely reach our goal. Let me know if the music is okay. You can hear the music. You can just inhale and exhale for the next 2 minutes. coordinating the inhalation and exhalation. Regular breathing, no anulom vilom right now. Each sentence should be in breath or out breath. Make sure your breath is smooth. It's not forceful. Pay attention to the temperature of the in-breath, the air entry. With the Veena music, try to hold your breath. One more minute. Keep focusing on the in-breath and out-breath. Try to deepen your inhalation and exhalation for the last 30 seconds, but no forceful, gentle. Okay, you can let your breath focus go and start the Anulom Vilom Pranayam or Nadi Shodhana. So use your right hand thumb to close your right nostril. In breath to the left, close the left, out breath to the right, in breath to the right, and out breath to the left. That's one cycle, 4 breaths. Try to coordinate again with the music, each sentence. Breath should be smooth, gentle, and slow. So slow that you should not be hearing your breath. Okay? It should not be forceful. Again, try to hold the breath at that Veena music, wherever you are in the cycle. One more minute. Keep going. Thirty more seconds. Keep going.
कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
All right, finish off your cycle by breathing out through the left. Everybody finish? Good. So we'll do the Kapalbhati Pranayam, which is forceful expiration. I hope everybody knows that. If not, it's a bout of contraction. You contract the tummy in after taking a deep in breath. So what we can do is the entire mantra, the whole cycle, you can go up to 30 to 50 bouts of contraction. Yes, you can count mentally like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that and see how much you can do. Okay, if you do a slow speed, you can do around 30. If you do a faster speed, probably you can do 50 or 60. It depends on your speed. But I want you to coordinate with the mantra again, the entire set of mantra. Count the number of times you can do it. That way you can also monitor your progress. Okay, let's start. Take a deep breath. We'll do it for just 2 minutes. One more minute left. Keep going. If you need to take a break, take a deep breath and start the cycle again. Last 30 seconds, try to increase the speed of your contractions. Fifteen more seconds, keep going. Five more seconds, keep going.